Am I the only one who didn't know you need this much stuff for a flight? Buckle up because we're diving into the must-haves for smooth flying. First up, don't forget your travel documents. Passport, visas, vaccination cards, boarding pass, the whole shebang. Imagine reaching the airport and realizing you left your ID at home. Nightmare, right? Jet lag can ruin your trip before it begins. Consider packing some homeopathic pills. Trust me, your body will thank you. Comfort is key. Think scarf, disposable heating pads, chapstick, moisturizer, hoodie, clean socks, even a small blanket and pillow. You'll be the envy of the entire cabin. Snacks are a must. Airline food can be a gamble, so pack your favorite goodies. No one likes a hangry traveler. Bored easily? Bring a book, games, or download your favorite shows. Plus, noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver against chatty neighbors. Cash, credit cards, and a universal adapter? Absolutely. You never know what you'll need to buy or charge. Don't forget a pen and paper for those moments when your phone is dead and inspiration strikes. Eye drops, deodorant, and a travel-sized first aid kit? Yes, yes, and yes. Be prepared for anything. Lastly, a reusable water bottle, sanitizer, and your meds. Stay hydrated, clean, and healthy. Ready to fly like a pro? Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels!